Hi guys, welcome back to episode 2 of rebuilding my home jumps or my compound. In the last episode we built a 3-foot kicker and a landing, and that was the first jump on the big line. In this video we're going to be bringing in a big tabletop and extending the tabletop to be even bigger. Let's get on with the video. So this is where the new tabletop's going to be. Let's quickly move this small gap jump, roll the time lapse. Now, this is the tabletop we're going to bring into place. This is one of my favourite jumps. The only problem is a very small tabletop for a big lip. So we're going to extend out the middle so it'll come out to here, and then the landing can run down to there. So let's move this into position and let's make it bigger. Let's just roll the time lapse. Right, so now all of the big table is disassembled. Let's put it back together like it was, and then let's work out how to put the middle bit in. So roll the time lapse again. Right, so now this is in place. It looks great. I think it will work great. I am now gonna. It was pretty pointless doing all that. I'm going to shift this one along, so move all that along, and then put another one of these pallets in between here to make it longer. So let's work this out. I'm going to roll the time lapse and I'm going to work it out as it goes. Well, there we have it, guys. The entire ramp is complete and it looks like a boss. I love it. It looks amazing. This line is going to be so fun. Right, I'm going to get on my bike now, do some testing, see if anything needs improved. But looking at the moment, from what it's built before, it should be perfect. It's pretty sturdy, not going to lie. This is all out of pallets, all completely free. I'm trying to make all of this completely free, the entire compound. But yeah, let's test this. It might be a struggle to clear first try, but let's get the pads on and let's have a session. But thanks for watching episode 2 of the rebuild, and episode 3 we'll be working on the third jump. I haven't thought about that yet, but maybe we might work on a skinny line or work on the other smaller line or the trails. So stay tuned for that. I have no idea what we're going to do next on episode 3, but thanks for watching. See you in the next video.